Dear friend, hi, how are you doing? I'm so glad to see you again on my channel. Today I'll show you how to increase your trading balance by 18% with just one indicator. Look, it will be interesting, and now we turn to the pocket option and let's go. The first thing we see is an open chart of quotations of exchange currency pair euro, Canadian dollar, and of course our assistants. These are indicators, Williams and Osmo. Let's start trading and open the first trade to decrease by $200 for 1 minute. And now I'll explain everything to you. From the quotation chart, we see that for more than 2 hours in a row there has been a downward trend in the market with some corrections that are clearly visible here, here, and here. And all of them were accurately shown by the Williams indicator. And in our case, the quotes began an active decline, and the Williams line was also declining at the same time, which was exactly a signal for me to open a deal. In general, it's very easy to trade using the Williams indicator. It has clear signals, for instance, in the price of our currency decrease and along with the Williams line, when this is a signal of a possible continuation of a price decline. This is clearly visible on the diagram here, here, and here. And our first transaction was completed and we received $182 profit. As for the other signals, there is nothing complicated with them either. If, for example, the price of currency is declining and the Williams line, on the contrary, is trying to turn up, then this is already a signal of a possible imminent increase in quotations, and such moments are also clearly visible to us on the chart here and here. Now I've told you about the simplest signals that are understandable to any novice trader, but at the same time they give a good opportunity to earn money. Let's continue trading and open the next deal to increase by $200 for 1 minute. At this moment, the Williams line, being oversold zone between the -80 and -100 levels, began to attempt a reversal, and since the price of our currency continued to decline, this became for me the signal of a possible increase in quotations. By the way, here are 2 more signals from the Williams indicator. If its line is above the -20 level, when this indicates that the market is overbought, suggesting a potential correction in quotes down. This is clearly visible on the graph. But if the value is below -80, when accordingly it indicates the state of oversold in the market, and in this case a potential upward correction is assumed. And I've also marked these moments for you on the chart. As you can see, nothing complicated. Now let's go back to our deal, and its term is coming to an end and brings us $184 already. Not much, but the risk in transaction is only 4%. Before continuing, I want to remind you that on my Telegram channel I trade with my partners in voice chat in real time and also run marathons to accelerate the deposit from $150 to $50,000, so everyone has the opportunity to join us. For this, write to me on Telegram, I'll be waiting. Now we can continue. I think I've noticed how cool it is to trade with an indicator like Williams. And that's all, because one of its first advantages is ease of understanding and excellent visibility. In addition, this indicator reacts very quickly to short-term price fluctuation and gives signals with almost no delays, wherefore it can be used for trading on rollbacks or for making deals at the time of price correction. We can see all these on chart. Let's continue to earn money and open another deal to increase by $200 for 1 minute. Of course, you understand that you can make money here without opening deals. Now I'll explain my decision to you. Everything is extremely simple here. The Williams line has left the oversold zone, crossed the -80 level, and continues to grow. At the same time, the price of the Euro-Canadian pair is also growing. Such a combination, as I've recently noted, gives us signal just about the possible growth of quotations. Nothing complicated, isn't it? By the way, another advantage of the Williams indicator is its very good performance at low volatility. This is when the candlesticks of currency pair are small. As on our chart, we see that candlesticks are not high, but at the same time, the Williams line actively and clearly shows its changes. And now another transaction is successfully completed, and whereby we replenish our trade balance again by $184 $184. The indicator perfectly helps us to earn money, although I think Williams is an excellent technical indicator. It's by no means perfect, because it also has disadvantages. I don't like the scale because it seems illogical to me. It varies from the maximum, namely from 0 to -100. Also, markets can remain overbought or oversold for long periods of time, and this simply means that during a certain measurement period, the price is in a narrow range near the maximum or minimum. In other words, the Williams readings lose their value with strong and long-lasting trends, which I also noted on the chart. Now I noticed an interesting moment, and wherefore I opened a $200 reduction deal for 1 minute. And I made this decision also because of one drawback of Williams, namely on the lower time frames below M30. The indicator will give a large number of false signals. And just before opening the deal, I noticed that the price approached a conditional level and had previously been support in this area. And the price was able to break through it only after several attempts. And now the situation is reversed. The price is approaching it from below while its growth slows down, and I assume that this level may become a resistance for it, and if so, I will most likely turn around and go down. That's why on small time frames, Williams gives a lot of false signals that need to be filtered. And the term of our deal is coming to an end. The price, as I expected, has stopped its growth, and our pocket is replenished by another $184. Such situations occur quite often when trading with an expiration of 1 minute every second is important, so when trading on real account, always be as collected and attentive as possible. By the way, friend, I have promo codes for you that will give 50% to your deposit when replenishing, absolutely free of charge. Right to me in Telegram, and of course, you need them. You and I have already made 4 successful trades, and you see that it's not difficult to make a profit on binary options. You just need to study the work of 2 or 3 indicators and apply them in your trading. That could be simpler. Let's open another $200 drop deal for 1 minute. The situation here is similar to the previous one. The price is near the resistance level, but now it has started to gradually decline. And we see that the Williams line has also turned around and is looking down. Well, by a little, but it's there. And as I already said, this is a signal for possible price reduction. Let's watch the deal. In the meantime, let's remember what we learned about Williams indicator. Most importantly, we learned its signals that help to open deals, and they turn out to be very simple. I think it won't be difficult for you to find these signals yourself on a chart. But we also learned that Williams indicator can give false signals on the lower time frames, so they need to be filtered either using other indicators or using other types of analysis. And now our deal has been completed again with a profit of $184. This concludes the trading session. Let's summarize its results. Today, for 5 transactions, you and I earned $918. A little, but don't forget we had a minimum risk of only 4%. Nevertheless, we were able to increase our initial deposit by 18% in just 9 minutes, so I think it's not that bad. Dear friend, I want to express my gratitude to you for watching this video till the end. I'm grateful for those people who write comments under my videos and like them. I see that there's a real return on that. I do, and what a share. I also, friend, if you like this video, please leave your reaction. For example, like a comment, give a thumbs up. I'll be very grateful to you because for me, this is a great signal to continue making cool content. And for today, I say goodbye until we meet again, and bye.